I think AR and mixed reality and some new emerging technologies are pushing us as designers to actually come closer to the technology. And I think you see this if you look, for example, at Unity. Unity has for years been creating this landscape where developers and designers work really tightly together. And developers make tools that the designers can then play with to create the exactly right feeling that they're after. And I think we'll be moving more towards that as our experiences become more like games too, with being really immersive and then tech-driven, more so now than ever. As designers, we need to become more technical. We need to come closer towards development and programming and not just rely on someone else building the things that we're after. We need to become familiar with iterating on code, in code, and create the feeling that we're after. And if we don't do that, someone else will do it for us, and they might not have that same vision that you have. I hope the next new movement is playfulness. And I think if we look at Japan, they've been doing this for years, and we have been thinking that they are mad. But an interesting app, I think, is still Snapchat. Snapchat is really, I think, about being playful. There's a lot of playfulness in that app, and not many others focus on that as their core belief of how to create a good experience. We often think that everything we do should be taken very seriously. Everything needs to be very clean and sterile and generic and simple. But hopefully the next movement is about playfulness, daring to do a bit more with design and expressing a bit more emotion.